Hello there Algarve lovers, and today we're in the East Algarve. We've come to a lovely fishing village called Fuseta, probably about half an hour from Faro. I'll spin the camera around, guys. So there's a nice view of the Ria Formosa. The tide is actually out at the moment. And to my right you've got some lovely apartments. I've actually stayed in them, they're really nice. And as we walk along the main front, which we call it, it's filled with restaurants. It is the beginning of February, guys, so I don't know how busy it'll be. It's a beautiful day today, about 18 degrees. Plenty of cars here, plenty of traffic, so I think we should be in luck, and the restaurants will be quite busy. And as I say that, the first one's closed. Oh, it is open. No one in it though. Yeah, they're not all open. The best one along here is Ruis, that'll definitely be open. Regina, it's closed. Got a little pasteleria that's open. And this is by far the best fish restaurant in Fuseta. A guy called Ruis owns it. Run it for years, it's a family run business. Okay, Ruis.
Okay.
See you, Clay. Yeah, he's a lovely guy. Yes, there's a few restaurants open. We'll go and walk into the main square, and then we'll walk down the riverside where there's more barbecues, really good ones as well. I've eaten in this one, can't remember the name of it. I'll get you some prices, guys. Tuna £13.50, bacalhau, which is cod, that's €14. Dorada, which is the sea bream, 12. Robalo, which is sea bass, £12.50. So very reasonable prices. So in the summer, this does get full of tourists, but out of season, it is a working town, fishing town, so we get all the locals eating here anyway. Hence, the prices are way lower than you've probably been in other places, in your touristy places. So there's a couple more restaurants up that way, but we're going to do a left here and walk up to what they call the main square in Fuseta, see what's open there. So we're approaching the square. It's about 400 metres from the front. I mean, this looks a really nice restaurant. There's a couple of people inside. Must be too cold for them to be sat outside. Looks really nice. Now, the last time I was here at the square, I think it was November, most of these places were shut. So there's still not too many open. Got Pescador Pasteleria. This is the Tapas bar in front of us. That's open. Iguaras de Villa. That's open, but not many people in there. And then down the main pedestrian street that runs to the river, you've got Fuseta Tapas bar. Not actually tried it yet, but it's on the hit list. The food's supposed to be really nice in there. Cafe Bar Marisa, that's closed. But when we hit the river, in about 100 metres, there should be some nice restaurants there. Got the Green Spirit restaurant at the end. With the pedestrianized street, it's a vegetarian place. You can rent bikes there. It's actually closed. If you do fancy a holiday here, guys, there's loads of cubist houses to rent, loads of apartments, but you've got to be in quick. They fill up really fast. We're coming out at the municipal market. I think it's about 1 o'clock now, so it may be closed. So you can cross the road. Yeah, the municipal market's closed. This is a really nice barbecue restaurant. I've eaten in there a couple of times. Not many people in at the moment. Got a beautiful view of the river from there. How nice is that, guys? So the barbecues that are on this side of the road, the main restaurants are on the other side of the road, the kitchens are on the other side of the road. So you might see the odd waiter running across the road, dodging the cars. It smells beautiful from here. About 25 metres. We're going to come across another one. Casa Coral it's called, eaten in there many a time. So that's the actual restaurant to it. Look at that, how nice that is, guys. Quite busy. It's a really good restaurant, that. This is normally open as well, the one next to it. But when it came in November it was closed, so I don't know if it's closed permanently. So there's the main street that we started on. There's a couple of nice restaurants there as well. Perhaps I'll pop over to them because it looks quite busy. It looks very nice. See if there's any prices there. Bacalhau. Oh, they do a set menu, €15. That's excellent. They do hake, €12. Codfish, 18. Barbecue ribs, 18. Algarvian style squid, 12. Pork and clams, it's quite expensive, that's 35. That'll be for 2 people though. Right opposite is Fuseta campsite, which is open all year round. So you can come with your camper van for a week, a month, or even a year. We'll go back alongside the riverside. I'll show you some crazy little wooden hut bars that we've had many a good day in. First one is Chico's. There's the man himself. Okay, Chico. Yeah, it's a great little bar, that. The guy's run it for years. Him and his wife, Katerina. Then in the background there, you've got the fishing huts, where all the fishermen prepare the nets before they go fishing. In the summer, you've got the ticket office there. We can buy your tickets to nip over to Fuseta Island, which I'll show you where that is in a minute. It's only like 5 minutes on the boat. This bar, Cubanita, a really good bar. There's great music in the evening there. Then the end bar, it's called Affordable but we only know it as the Rock Bar. I've had some crazy nights in there because we actually used to live a couple of minutes from Ferrol. Sorry, from Fuseta, I should say. I said Ferrol because of the bar. Yeah, from Fuseta. We used to live on a campsite. We used to come in on our bikes most days, do our shopping there, pop in there and have a quick beer. You got the commercial ferries there that go over to the island. I'm not too sure if they're running at the moment. I'll find out in a minute. And then in the background there, you can actually rent boats out. They're like a floating hotel. I'll get a closer look at it. So here's some of the boats that you can rent out. Even got a container boat there. That looks a really nice one. That's definitely on the to-do list, to spend a night or two in there. You can get your tickets there for all your fishing trips. Not open at the moment. So in a couple of 100 metres we'll come to the main beach on Fuseta, and across the way you'll see the island. There's a fisherman cracking away now. So as we approach the main beach on Fuseta, you've got a lovely little bar there, Border Agua. There is a chain of them up and down the Algarve. It's not as cheap as the restaurants that I've just shown you in the back streets, but the food is nice in here and it's got a lovely location. I'll just show it you now. So there's the beach, guys. Really safe, family beach that. When the tide's out you can almost walk across, and then the other side is Ilha de Fuseta, Fuseta Island. If you'd like to check it out, have a look at our playlist. We've got a video on there. You can see what's on there. Oh, what a nice start to February, guys. Hope you like this little walk-in tour. If you have, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.